Hello, and thank you so much for stopping by today. My name is Sandy, and this is the Sister Cousins Lifestyle Channel. Today, I am going to be in my bathroom. I'm going to be decorating or creating a Christmas vignette in my master bath. And this is a part of an open collaboration that is hosted on a seasonal basis. And our host is Veronica over at Saving with Ms Vee. And this time, she is co-hosting with Marilyn from Marilyns Cozy Lifestyle. So the first thing I'm going to do in my bathroom is to replace some pictures that I had up. I'm going to actually be moving these to another space in my home. I do that often when I redecorate. I take things and move them around my house just to create a new look. But these are some new pictures that I picked up from Burlington Coat Factory some time ago, and I knew that I was going to want to use these during the Christmas season because I was going with some navy and gold in my bedroom. And so for the master bath, to make that match, I decided to go ahead and replace the pictures as well. Now, I would like to thank Veronica over at Saving with Ms Vee and Marilyn at Marilyns Cozy Lifestyle for hosting this collab. And I ask that you stop by at their channels. I will be linking their channel links in the description box below. There's also going to be a playlist. Please be sure to stop by the playlist so that you can get all of your inspiration needs met for your bathroom vignettes for the Christmas season. So I hope that you will stop by. You will not be disappointed. And also, before you leave today, if you are not currently subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload a video. I upload videos twice a week, and I hope to see you over here on my next one. Bye-bye.